This is a solution to assignment 9.1. As you can see, you have here the income statement from current year, and we are talking about indirect budgeting because you here have the assumptions for the new year. Increase in turnover, we have no volume, you have no units, and therefore it's indirect budgeting. They tell us that turnover or revenue will increase by 5%. We don't know if it is sales price increase or if it is volume increase. Turnover increase by 5%. Then they tell us that gross profit will change from 45 to 50%. Promotional cost will increase by 100. Capacity cost will increase by 6%, and so on. So it's very simple. We take here in the budget year, we take the turnover. It was an increase of 5%. So we take, as you can see here, the old amount from last year, and we multiply by 1.05. The sales cost, it's a little bit complicated, but because we have to go to the gross profit, because we are told that the gross profit as a percentage is 50%. So therefore we calculate this one. It has to be 50% of the turnover or revenue. So therefore it's 18,113. And then we can calculate the sales cost, and it will of course also be 50%, 18,113. Then promotional cost, they increase by 100, so it's 3,625. And we have a marketing contribution of this amount, and then we have capacity cost increased by 6%. So we take the old figure and multiply by 1.06. That's the way to increase a figure 6%. And then you have what they call earnings contribution, but it's profit before depreciation. And you have unchanged depreciations, and you have interest costs of 300 because they decreased by 50. And then you have the new profit of the year, 4459. And then we are asked to make a new calculation because the owner is considering aiming for a gross profit percentage of 48 instead of 50. And because of this decrease in sales prices, he expects that turnover will increase by 8% and the rest unchanged. So we now have 8% instead of 5 and gross profit percentage of 48. So now we have turnover, the old one multiplied by 1.08. We have gross profit here, 48% of turnover. It's 7,885, and then we subtract and find the sales cost. It will of course be 52%, and then unchanged promotional cost from the first budget, and unchanged capacity costs, and unchanged depreciations, and unchanged interest cost, and therefore we will now have profit for the year of 4331. And this is of course not a good idea because here we had 4459. So we should stick to solution A.